This video is just a quick preview of one of over 200 step-by-step percussion lessons included in our Gonga Chops membership. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head over to gongachops.com to start your free 7-day trial and check out everything we've got on the site.
Now that we have a few new phrases under our belt, let's look at a couple ways we could make the most of them. Let's start off by learning a couple of short musical figures that we can use to approach any of our phrases. These approaches work with any phrase, but it'll be up to us to decide where they feel good to use. Again, this is something that will come naturally to us the more we listen to and analyze different players and begin to expand our musical language as we build our own personal taste. So for the first figure, we're simply going to play 7 consecutive low drum open tones as 16th notes while alternating our hands right to left. We'll start with our right hand on the and of 3 and finish off with the same hand on the first beat of the following bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on that just a bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's hear what that sounds like over our 2-bar lock in 2-3 clave. We'll play this as a 4-bar phrase with our figure coming in the second half of the 4th bar, which coincides with the 3 side of the clave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on that just a bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's hear what that sounds like if we play our approach in the 3rd bar while continuing to play our lock in 2-3 clave as a 4-bar phrase. This time our figure will be taking place in the second half of the 3rd bar, which coincides with the 2 side of the clave. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on that one more time, just a bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.